Welcome back to Owen's Archives. Today, I'm talking about NFTs. With internet memes selling like crazy, and new artists like Beeple making millions of dollars online, there is potential here. It is clear this digital means of ownership might have viability and value for transacting items online.
Is there real value here?
My idea was to code an NFT. So by playing around with some code, I managed to make this. Then I turned the still frames into a video and upload it to a GIF converter. On the website Rarible, I upload the design and connected my Ethereum wallet to the website. Using my $100, I pay first to approve the submission, and then again to mint the token and sign my order so it is published on the network. These prices are called gas fees. Now my design, which is on sale for 0.3 Ethereum, can be purchased and officially owned by anyone who buys it on the blockchain. The NFT has its own page with information, transaction history, and cost on it. The problems that NFT solves are attaching value to any object. It does this through a ledger or a public list of all the transactions. If an artist wants to create something, just like I did, you can make it unique by attaching it to the blockchain. So, just like prints of famous paintings, even if there are a million copies made, everyone will be able to see via the public ledger who actually owns it. I currently have no personal value, nor does this video, or anything I create. But with these NFTs, you can now invest in someone. Someone can essentially buy a share of my eventual success, and as I become more successful, so does the value of the NFT. While I don't think this is a new everyday investing opportunity, I think getting in now to be a part of the growth of this technology will be a cool milestone in the story of the internet and value.